In this video, I am going to show you how to completely clear your Google Chrome browsing history, including the hidden DNS cache that can store traces of your Incognito mode sessions on Windows. While Incognito mode doesn't save history to the browser itself, your computer still keeps a record of the domains you have visited. To ensure your privacy is fully protected, we will perform a two-step process to wipe both the browser data and the system logs. First, let's clear the standard browsing data within Google Chrome. Open your Chrome browser and click on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the screen. Continue by clicking on the Settings button from the dropdown. Click on Privacy and Security on the left-hand sidebar. Next, click on the option that says Clear Browsing Data. A settings window will appear. Under the Time Range drop-down menu, select All Time to ensure you are removing all past records. Make sure the checkbox for browsing history is selected. Then click on the blue Delete Data button at the bottom. This clears your standard browsing records from the application. Now, we need to clear the DNS cache to remove any traces left behind by Incognito mode. To do this, go to your Windows search bar, type CMD, and when the command prompt app appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. It is vital to run it as an administrator for the command to execute properly. Once the black command prompt window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns exactly as it appears and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message stating that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This ensures that every trace of your web activity is now wiped from your system. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. If there is a specific topic or problem you want me to cover in a future video, please let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.